Hello guys, this is AutoSocials and today I'm going to show you how you can edit out a PDF file online totally for free. It's really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So the only thing that I've done now is typed in on my browser online PDF editor for free. So I'm going to just find a site that works. What I recommend is you choose this one, which is PDF editor online. And just go on it. Here we can upload from various options our PDF file. For this video, I'm just going to hit browse for document on your computer and just scroll until I found a random PDF. And now you should see that it opens up a menu which allows me to edit out my PDF. Text, signs, dates, cross, check, circle, image, text box, tick, erase, highlight, blackout, arrow, line, and draw. Also replace text, comments, search, fit with, help, and feedback. Once you're done, you just got to hit done, and what it asks you what you would like to do with the file. Now you can either save it as a PDF, as a Word file, as an Excel, PowerPoint. You can go back to editing, go to My Docs, convert to template, rewrite PDF, or send the document to a printer, USPS, email, SMS, sign now, via fax, share, link to fill, and notarize. It's all up to you. So if you want, so let's say we want to receive the file back as a PDF, we are just going to hit the PDF one. And now the only thing left for us to do is just create an account totally for free. And once you've done that, you should be able to download your PDF file just as easy. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.